up, D&L family? Hey guys, it is Friday. It is an amazing day. Things are going well. I wanted to come to you today and I want to talk to you a little bit about, I'm going to give you 3 important tips how to improve your indoor air quality. I've been talking a lot about this, and only because of the viruses and everybody being sick and everybody just the algae, the everything that's going on around. Look, 3 quick tips on how to improve your indoor air quality to help you breathe easier during these times, okay? So number 1, find the sources of the problem, okay? That's number 1. If you can find that, then you're good to go, because if you don't find the source, you don't have a solution. There's the problem and the solution. So find out where it's coming from. So a couple of places: dust, dander, pets, all that, carpeting. Make sure you vacuum your dust quite frequently. Look, we're all going to get dusty houses, okay? It's going to happen. Doesn't mean you're dirty, doesn't mean you're clean. It just means that our house accumulates a lot of dust everywhere, okay? So reduce the dust. Reduce your pet dander. Get them shampooed quite often. Get that stuff. If they're they go outside a lot and they come back in, they're bringing all that stuff in there. So the pet and the dander, get rid of that. Shampoo your dog quite often. Keep them clean. You'll keep your carpets clean. You'll see a huge difference there. The third thing I want to talk to you about is your filters. Your indoor air quality, because your HVAC system runs all the time, your indoor air quality is based on the filtration system in your home, okay? So some of us have them located in the walls. They might be in the wall of your kitchen, your dining room, your hallway. Some of them have them in the furnaces itself. Make sure you buy a quality filter. And look, don't go buy a $30 filter. Don't buy the cheap ones either. The $1.91s at the $1.99s at the dollar store, they're not saving you anything. They're not doing anything for you, because the particles and dust and debris and dander and all that stuff, the air pollution is going right by it. So don't buy the cheap ones, okay? Buy yourself a quality filter. It'll be, you're going to spend a little bit of money, but I'm telling you, in the long run, it will help you in your indoor air quality, okay? When you open that and change that filter, take a peek in there and look at the duct. Is the duct full of dust and debris? Because if it is, and it looks like some of the ones that we have seen lately, your problem is inside the ductwork. That air is being filtered through your house all the time. So, solution? Call the D&L guy. We'll come out there and we'll clean your ducts out. We'll get that all cleaned up and sanitized, so you're not breathing that every day. Don't breathe that in every day. A lot of us have become immune to this because we breathe it every day. Some of us, as we get older, our immune system breaks down. We're in the doctors like every couple months because something's going on wrong with us. Get it cleaned up. Clean up the ductwork. Clean the indoor air handlers. Reduce your dust in your home. And with that, you can get air purifiers. We have some great air purifying systems that go into the HVAC system that will actually clean the air as it's going by it, and so you're breathing nice, clean air coming out of your ductwork, okay? Call me, 540-295-6697. You can visit me at Ask the DNL. You can actually email me at askthednlguy@gmail.com. You can visit us on YouTube at DNL Mechanical Services and check out our videos, our other videos about our other stuff. But some quick tips for Friday. Everybody, have a great weekend. We'll see you soon. If you have any questions about your indoor air quality or your filtration system in your HVAC, give the DNL guy a call, 540-295-6697. Have a great weekend, everybody. We love you. We'll see you soon. Bye.